I'm sorry for the wait. I was busy doing other stuff, like my second channel. I'm gonna link my second channel down in the description below. So if you guys can go subscribe to that, that would be much appreciated. Thank you. So as everyone should know by now, the pump is gone. But I guess they replaced it with the combat shotgun. Well, today, as you guys see by the title already, the combat shotgun's actually kind of OP. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get straight into this video. Neo tilted.
It's Neo? Ew! Oh, he's on top of you. Bench. Run for 40.
Oh my god.
John Wick! Help him!
Come here.
Wait, you can revive my card. John Wick doesn't have a gun. He's picked up a gun.
Look, watch this.
Let him drop behind.
Oh!
Boom shakalaka. Let's go.
God.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What? I did that much damage.
Throw next to him.
Oh fuck. I'm dead. I'm actually so shit. It's not even funny. Dude, she's one shot. I got her. Oh.